everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, this is Sanam Rizwan. Today I'm gonna show you a very easy green eyeshadow makeup tutorial. If you want to know how I have created this look, let's watch my video. First, I'm using this e.l.f. poreless face primer. Before applying the primer, I have cleansed my face and applied moisturizer. The best way to apply primer is by tapping with your finger. In this way, it works really well and you'll have a smooth finished look. This is Huda Beauty Fox Filter Foundation in the shade Butter Pecan. I'm going to blend my foundation with this flat foundation brush from BH Cosmetics and apply it with a foundation brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Before applying foundation, better apply the cream to the brush fiber evenly in this way for a better result. Always apply foundation from the center of the face first, then apply to the other sides. Apply foundation to your whole face in this way with the foundation brush, and don't forget to cover your neck area also. To conceal my face, I am going to use this Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the shade Toasted Almond. I am applying concealer to the most pigmented areas of my face. I am going to apply my concealer with a damp beauty blender from the Real Techniques with a tapping motion. To set my foundation and concealer, I am using this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade Light Medium with this Triangle Beauty Sponge. After applying powder, I always check in this way if there is any creamy texture left on my face. If so, I apply powder over there again. To contour my face, I am using this e.l.f. contour palette in the shade Dark. I am going to contour my face with this e.l.f. contouring brush, and before applying the contour powder, I always tap the brush on my hand in this way to remove the excess powder. I am going to contour my cheekbones first. I am contouring my jaw lines, nose area, and also my forehead area. For my eyebrows, I am using this Makeup Revolution brow pomade in the shade Dark Brown and also e.l.f. Lift Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. First, I am brushing my eyebrows with the e.l.f. brow pencil. Then I am going to fill my eyebrows with the Makeup Revolution brow pomade. For the final setting, I am brushing my eyebrows again with the e.l.f. Lift Brow Pencil. With this e.l.f. concealer brush, I am cleaning my upper and lower brow area with the same concealer I have used before. I am blending the concealer with a damp beauty blender. Before applying eyeshadow, I am concealing my eyelid with the same concealer, blending it with the beauty blender, and setting the concealer with the same loose powder. For my eyeshadow, I am using this Huda Beauty Emerald Obsession eyeshadow palette. First, I am using this shade from the Huda Beauty palette to my crease area with the e.l.f. crease brush and blending the edges for a smooth transition. Then this green shade from the same palette. Now I am using this pigmented green eyeshadow from the same palette. I always prefer my fingers while applying pigmented eyeshadows. For blending my eyeshadow, I am using this fluffy eye blending brush from the e.l.f. Cosmetics to have a smooth transition. Now I am using this dry cotton bud to remove the uneven eyeshadows in this way. Now with this small angle brush and the two shades from the Huda Beauty palette, I am going to color my lower lash areas. I am using a nude color pencil to fill up my waterlines. I am going to wear lashes from Lola Cosmetics in Diva. To line my eyes, I am using this e.l.f. gel liner along with this Wet n Wild liner brush. I am applying this Lakme Eyeconic Kajal with a flat liner brush from the e.l.f. Cosmetics to my lower lash areas. This is Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara for my lower lashes. I am using this shimmery shade from the Huda Beauty palette to highlight the inner corners of my eyes as well as below my eyebrow area. I am using this Total Face brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics to remove the excess residues from my face. Now I am going to apply Bella blush from Juvia's Place along with the blush brush from BH Cosmetics. I am tapping the brush in my hand to remove the excess powder. I will apply blush in this area. And also to the chin, nose and forehead area. To highlight my face, I am using this Huda Beauty Winter Highlighter palette. I'll use this Northern Light shade from the palette and going to tap my brush before applying highlighter. I also love to highlight some other parts of my face. To color my lips, I am using the shade Tale from the Colourpop Liquid Matte Lipstick. I am using this NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray to set my makeup.
She's a Mona Lisa.
And here is the final look. This look is so simple yet stunning, will look great on anybody. If you love my video, don't forget to thumbs up, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. And also don't forget to follow my social media accounts. And I will see you soon with a brand new tutorial. Bye guys!
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down.